Hi students. Did you know that there are 5 new trending courses for commerce students to do after 12th in Bangalore city? Let us see what are they. The first one is BCom ACCI. It is a course which is being offered under Bangalore University and private university. It is a course with a certification of ACCA, which is an association of chartered certified accountants. It is a global body for professional accountants. In this, the course emphasizes on subjects related to commerce and finance. The second one is BCom CIMA. It is a course with a certification of CIMA, which is the Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, which is a global body for business and finance. This course is offered under Bangalore University and private university. Students doing this program can expect opportunities like financial reporting, business analysis, etc. The third one is BCom Logistic and Supply Chain Management. This course is offered under Bangalore University. It emphasizes on subjects like efficient and effective planning strategies included in the management, maintenance, and transport of goods to maintain consistent business. Students will have knowledge about the characteristics policies of planning, transport, and finance. The fourth one is BCom LLB. This course is offered under deemed university and private university. It is a combination of both commerce and law. Students will learn on the subjects like business statistics, law of contracts, women and child law, consumer protection law, etc. Fifth one is BCom Honors. The course emphasizes on subjects related to commerce and finance by covering topics like economics, auditing, accounting. It is offered under Bangalore University, deemed university, and private university. Apart from these, there are other regular courses like BCom, BCom Professional, BCom Banking and Finance, etc. offered in Bangalore city. With these, the commerce students also do have other options available in various fields, such as management, hotel management, hospital management, designing, journalism, mass communication, and lots more depending on each student's interest. So students, if you want to know more regarding these courses and the colleges in Bangalore, do visit our website www.galaxyeduworld.com, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe for regular updates from Galaxy Education Services.